What do you think about riding this bloody thing?
This is the easy bit.
A brutal start, some seaside relief and a tortuous hour-long ascent. We're hiker biking in Sai Kung right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome to another episode of Hong Kong's 10 Best Bike Rides. We're here in Sai Kung. It's an absolutely beautiful day. What are we going to be doing today?
Well, on this gorgeous day, DJ, we're going to be riding the Tai Lei Chung mountain bike trail. It's a circular route and it's probably the only legal trail in Sai Kung that we're allowed to ride. I'm looking forward to trying it out and hitting the trail.
We'll be going for about 4 hours, we think, and we'll be coming right back here to Pak Tam Chung. Let's get going. Off we go.
As we celebrate the 10th anniversary of Drone and Phone, we wanted to share a behind-the-scenes episode to show viewers how things don't always go according to plan. This route was originally explored during our 10 Best Hong Kong Bike Ride series in 2022, but was too brutal to make it onto the list. Described on a local website as a great mountain bike route, we set off with our high hopes of including Sai Kung in the top 10. Little did we know the torture that awaited us en route to Tai Lung Tung. Our adventure begins coasting along Pak Tam Road as we look for a left-hand turn, heading to Yung Shue O. Turning off, we navigate a maze of narrow paths following signs to Yung Shue O. So far, the trail is pleasant and easy going. Leaving the concrete path behind, we head off-road and begin the first climb. Stairs are not uncommon on routes shared by hikers and bikers. We encounter our first set early on, but have no inkling of the trouble to come.
What do you think about riding this bloody thing?
The steps keep coming and we keep going.
I've got to get up again. This bit, you've got absolutely no choice but to walk up. And my panniers on the back. Whew. I've got to say, a bit heavy going. Oh my goodness.
Undeterred by these early warning signs and carried along by the spirit of adventure, we continue on along weather-worn paths.
Well, we've just climbed the first climb, and I've got to say, although this was recommended to us as one of the best mountain bike trails, we don't think we're going to have to recommend this, because unless it gets really good very quickly, it's a lot of carrying your bike on some very difficult trails.
The ascent tops out at 216 metres, then drops down into Yung Shue O along a mix of natural and concrete paths. Sea level, it's all easy riding along the banks of 3 Fathoms Cove, where we break for lunch amid some stunning wetlands. We meet other bikers who come in on small roads, so at this stage we're not too deterred, as we could recommend an alternative route in. So we continue along the coast and swerve inland to Shum Chung Prairie. It's an idyllic setting for a pause while we look for a way to rescue this route from the hand of disaster.
Well, we've come to about the halfway stage. We've only done about 9 kilometres, so not a long ride, but it's been really tough, eh, Rob?
Very tough. In fact, some of that early part of the route was unrideable for me, and I know you were experiencing the same sort of thing. Okay, on a different kind of bike, but not what we're riding today in most sections.
Yeah, this was recommended to us, but it's not going to get in our top 10. But we're going to go back and see if we can find a better route in to get to the really nice part, which was the last part around the coast. From here, we're going to go up over this little valley here, and hopefully end up at one of the official mountain bike trails here in Sai Kung.
At this point, we're still keen to go ride the official mountain bike trail over in Wan Chai, and the sight of a concrete path out of Sham Chung lures us on. All too soon, we're in the grip of the worst ride ever.
All right, great.
Bumping along barely rideable sections of terra firma as we hike with our bike for around 5 kilometres.
No. Hong Kong's most exhausting bike rides.
Well, you're not going to thank us for recommending this cycle at all. We have just hiked with the bikes up some very steep steps right from down there. You can see down in the valley below us, and we're not at the top yet.
This part's not too bad. This is the easy bit.
Rob is demonstrating what we've been through. It's by no means an easy hike, but the rewards, well, you've got to judge whether they're worth it or not. Oh my God.
Any hope of this section becoming rideable has evaporated under the harsh afternoon sun.
I don't know which is the best line. Yeah, I think this one.
And that's how you get down a very thin gully. So we've joined the concrete path here, and if this goes all the way to the road, which we think it does, that's going to be such a godsend. We've had enough of pushing our bikes up and down these really horrible rocky paths. Great for running, great for hiking, not good for biking.
Relieved to be back on concrete. It's only 1 kilometre to Hoi Ha and a further 2 kilometres to Wan Chai. Sadly, it took us longer to reach the bike trail than planned, and we didn't bring lights. We headed off to rendezvous with a van that would take us back to Central. With aching legs, we grind our way back to our starting point some 14 kilometres away. So in short, we're not recommending this route, but it did make it into our don't do this list for Hong Kong, and hopefully gave you a little insight of the work we do to bring our recommendations to you on Drone and Phone.
Well, we're not quite there yet. We've done 23 kilometres and this has been a disaster. How is it for you?
Well, if you're into carrying your bike about 70% of the time, it's not on the top of my list. It's going to be right at the bottom. How about you?
Yeah, we've been going for a lot longer than we thought. We've been carrying bikes, but we do this at Drone and Phone so that you don't have to do it. So we're not going to be recommending this, but we may make this as an extra episode. If you're just finding this for the first time, don't do this one. Go and look at the other ones. You'll find them on our YouTube channel and also on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Robbie.
And this is Drone and Phone.
Don't forget the view. Look at that view.
I'm a runner, not a biker.
See how long you can keep it up.
You're making me keep it up now.
Go on up. You go to the top.